Hello, thank you so much for watching this video to this length. So this is the final episode. This is episode 5. If you missed 1 to 4, you better go and check if you really want to make your own charcoal. So we have our charcoal, but I understand that you have to start picking the charcoal during the night or early morning, because when the sun sets, the fire will be too hot that you can't do anything. So this black thing we are seeing here, most of them is charcoal. Guys, we got charcoal. In fact, let me tell you the truth, this charcoal whole thing was my father's idea. He learned this about, let's say, 20 years ago, and guys, we were seeing if it's going to really turn into charcoal, and it did. So I would just say I'm so proud of him now, because something that he doesn't work with, and he has been able to do it, and it has come out successfully. I'm so proud of him, guys. I am so proud of him, yeah, for the hard work. So this is the charcoal. We are going to start picking the charcoal and then pack them into a sack. We are going to pack them into a sack. So let's see how many sacks that we are going to get. So this is the charcoal, and my dear mom is collecting the charcoal. So guys, this is the charcoal. I am so happy. Seriously, I am very happy that we're able to get something out of this wood. Yes, because he was just weeding and we got some wood, and he said, let me make charcoal out of this wood, and it came out successfully, and I am so proud of him. Guys, let me tell you the truth, making charcoal is not easy. Do you know the annoying part? The part when you have to pick the charcoal from the sand one by one. So guys, we started digging the charcoal the next day. Yeah, so we set a fire. Let's say we set a fire today, and then by evening we were getting the charcoal. But unfortunately, some of the fire just went ablaze, and we have to turn it off. So that evening, the next day, we realized that the charcoal has been produced, and then we have to start digging it. But we have to wait till evening because it was sunset and the charcoal was very hot. Even the sand was very hot. So we waited to the evening. So that means this did not take us even 48 hours to get the charcoal. But he said it depends on how you arrange the wood. That is going to tell how long the charcoal is going to take to produce. So if you're going to arrange the wood as my dad did, you're going to get your charcoal in less than 48 hours. That is so simple. So guys, if you really did love this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video. In fact, share 1 to 5 episodes of this video, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, because guys, so this is just a pan of charcoal, and we had about 6 sacks of charcoal.